Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to play if I just go here, we're playing this game right here. And let's get this game started. Oh, look at this. The whole family. Alice, Bendy, and whatever. I forgot who was that person again. I'm always stupid. I wish I did. There would be something popped up here, and the only thing you have to do is say annoy him, because if you do that, you have to wait for someone to stop talking here, and then you will get this game started, so yay.
Alright, Joey. I'm here. Let's see if we can find what you wanted me to see.
Yeah, so first, I am very bad at instructions. We have to go this way. There's music here. And that's what it is inside. You have to go here.
This lift could use a few dry cells.
Press here. And here. And then click here.
Let's see what you're hiding down there, old friend.
This would pop up. And if the music stops, most likely if we go out here, this would be open. And then you see Bendy here. Oh, there's Bareth. Is that what's the name?
Alright, how do I get this to work?
Go in here. And then you have to collect these items. So, and you get jump scared. So first you have to get...
Oh my god. Joey, what were you doing?
You have to get that. I just clicked that because I like the sounds. Oh, this is a jump scare. Hello! Don't think anything is in there. Just an empty head, so an empty room. Got to collect this. You're gonna jump scare me. Ow. Black hole. I think I did something wrong. Oh, sorry, I had to rejoin. Sorry. That was a secret. That was a secret. That was one of the secrets that I just found.
Looks like they knocked out a wall or two after I left. Guess it took a few people to replace me.
Yeah, that has music. He will set us free. I didn't see that before. Go here. Oops, wrong way, sorry. Go here. Here, this place. Have that. Have that. Have the ink. I need the wheel. And I need the book. That is challenging. Oh, not challenging. Sorry, I was thinking of a total different thing
Okay,
that
that's
goes in
all of
here.
them.
Sorry. Go back over here. And click this.
I just need to get the ink flowing somehow. Should be a switch around here somewhere. Then I can start up the main power.
It's not the switch. Why am I constantly pressing that? Is it in here? Nope. Oh, and guys, there's one of my friends who just joined. And I swear I put this on a group thing. Where's the front door? Oh, there's the jump scare. Jump scared me a bit. And there, you can guess who that is. It's from a totally different person. It's a person in a different YouTube channel. Say hi.
I'm in another video. Are you kidding me?
Guys, you can possibly recognize the voice. Come back here.
I'm walking out the door.
I'm
walking out the door.
Come back here, no!
No, I'm walking out the door.
The door's locked. You have to go in.
I'm missing 2 of my fingers, man. Give me a break.
I lost 4 of my fingers. Give me a break, sir.
What? How? Tell me how.
Guys, that's actually a fake. I do actually have all
Black
of
Flash!
my 5 fingers. Don't do that! No.
Okay, you're not speaking now, okay?
Sorry. Okay.
Skibbity bop bop bop. Yes.
Skibbity go bum. Yes. Skibbity deep deep. Why am I constantly going back there? I have all the things. You should not supposed to be here, but I can't get rid of you. It's just like Killer 424. You can't. Okay, so that's what that is. You're gonna be just doing that. I am just gonna go over here and click on the wheel. Wait, why is the wheel here? This thing is broken. I didn't click it. Okay.
Skibbity.
Why am I constantly going in this room? I know there's gonna be something there. Because I played this before so many times, but I'm very bad at what's the word? Places. Why am I okay. This is gonna be like, okay. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. I have all the stuff. Oh, there it is. That opens, but there's no. It's just gonna be whistling. And I'll press this. This will be leaking. That's gonna annoy me, so I'm leaving. Well, you have to leave.
Create a whole YouTube channel, bro. I'm gonna create a YouTube channel. I swear to God.
What is it? What is it gonna be called?
I don't know.
The 6-7 group. Colt with his
I
6
gotta make a-
7s.
I gotta make a 6-7 girl.
It'd be
Oh shit, I can't. I don't have VRChat Plus.
No, you don't. You will have fun there.
I don't know which ones I have.
Go
Am I
in
supposed to
here.
grab something from here or something? I don't know.
We just played this like 5
Hold
minutes
on,
ago.
let me.
Click on everything.
I got the plushie. I don't have this one. I don't
You
have
don't
that
have-
one. Don't have that one. I have that one. I have this one. I'm missing 3.
We just played this like not that
Wait, let
long
me see.
ago.
I think I know how to get something. You go over here, right? Go to the ink machine.
Well, I'm gonna be chased, so I hope you. Okay, we're gonna wait.
And then I think we need to go.
We have to
over
wait for him because
here.
it takes him hours.
Open that. Skibbity Nick.
Can you still?
Got it. And now I need the poison.
The poison is where you think it is.
Is it right here?
It's
Okay,
in there
it is.
in that corner. Watching you kiss her. Oh, oh, oh.
What am I hearing?
Excuse me?
What am I hearing?
I'm over here watching you
I
kiss
heard something
her.
move behind me. I'm scared.
Oh, that's just the monster. How do I? You have
What
to
monster?
go.
Bendy?
Now you have to do all that.
Skibbity, skibbity, skibbity.
Click on all of them to see if you have everything. You have to
wait,
go
hold on.
into
I gotta go
that
to the will. I
room.
gotta go to get. I gotta get the will. Or do the will thing or something. Which I'm pretty sure it's over here.
He's just hopping like a bunny. And now is it leaking? I think so. Bendy's going to the bathroom. That's what that is.
And I don't see that Bendy appear, so I'm not scared.
Is this
Oh, never mind.
okay?
Wait, I have to go over here. Wait, hold on. I forgot to press the lever. I'm not scared of Bendy because he can't kill you in this game, I don't think.
Oh, get this to 10 likes, and we will play this game and wait for Cole to die at that part.
What part?
This part.
You can die during this
I'm getting the hell out of here.
There's so much speed. We're not being chased by anything.
I know. That's why I'm gonna run towards you. It won't allow me.
Excuse me? Okay. Well, problem solved. We're not being chased in this game. We have to click on
This
this
will definitely
and
come in
grab it.
handy.
Oh, there's something we can. What's this one? Oh, there's nothing there. Oh, I have to. I have butterfingers. And this is the end of chapter 1. And now this is chapter 2. I love these doing this. Oh, I missed the whole thing. Oh, that was embarrassing.
How did this place get so big?
That's what he said. I don't know where
Whoa.
Colt is.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Oh, like Colt
Where
is
the hell
there.
did he go?
Rest your head.
This is the first time Colt ever never
Need to
didn't
get
say
power to this
6
gate
7
somehow.
before.
Should be a couple
At
switches
any
nearby.
of this.
Then maybe I can open it.
I think only on Killer 444. Anyway. So you have to go here, wait for it to stop, and then practically you have to click on these random things. Switches. Of course, now I lost my axe. Can I ask you a question, dude? And I hope Colt is holding his thing tight. His axe. He likes doing jokes. Did you switch the whole all of the switches? Colt. 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 I think he died, or is he like he's so fast and now he's like I like breaking these things, sorry. I'm going through this. If he's here.
It's really dark in here.
Oh my gosh, he's here. Okay, he zooms a lot. Here we go in here. Press
One
this. That's disgusting. Oh, I just throw my axe. Oh, me being disgusting. I throw my axe into the toilet and I had to pick it up again. That's horrendously disgusting.
Looks like the stairwell is full. If I'm gonna get out of here, I'll need to find a way to drain it.
This time, I am not going to be glitched. Why am I constantly going that way? Do I need to go that way? I don't know. Why am I moaning? Sorry, guys. There's a piano in there. There's a room here. It's cool. He is always getting the food. It's like a trigger thing with him.
Back to the old round.
Have to go down here.
Oh no, there's no valve. Where did it go?
And go up here.
Was that thing holding my valve? Sorry I had to do that. Nice hat.
I want to ask Killer to put this video up. Work hard, work happy. I don't know. Click on here.
Okay, that should do it.
And then I'm just I don't know where he's going. You have to go in here. Oh, because that's how you play. And the sound of people look like they're throwing up. You have to go in here. And this time, I'm not gonna be crashed. I like breaking these things. Oops. You have to break specific things to move. And then you will be jump scared by that. He doesn't actually scare you. He just goes back into the disgusting doo-doo. I don't know what's up with that. You can go through here, but in the actual game you have to physically go around this. There's something here, but I don't know. Oh, that's a statue. Oops, I accidentally broke that. Hi, Boris. Now I realize what his name is.
Or the other one?
All of them are called Boris.
Nuh-uh.
No, they're all called Boris. They just have like, there's Boris 2.0, yada yada yada. You actually can hide there, but it doesn't actually work. You have to go through this dark place. Night. I don't know why.
Wow. I don't remember any of this. Jimmy.
Alice's room. Where's Colt? Is Colt in the floor again? I like the Alice's room. Alice, someone was actually sitting here once. And that's the end of the game. Where is Colt? Colt. Yeah, he is. Do you want to do the end of the intro? Oh, perfect.
Gonna throw my axe down. So what do you want me to do?
Do whatever you just say anything.
7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
There we go. I was waiting. I was. So, thank you for watching. We're going to play chapter 5. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell. And yada yada yada. And he's going to. I don't know what he's doing.
I'm going to a mental hospital.
Like he always does. Okay, bye guys.